I'm going to show you how to do simple nested if statements in Excel. So I set up this simple example. If x is less than 10, set y equal 1. If it's less than 20, set y equal 2, etc. So I'll show you how to do that. First, I made a little table here with x and y values. Pick some x value, and then I would write equal if parentheses. And the first thing is a logical test. I want to see if x, which is this cell, is less than 10, comma. If so, then the value is true. What am I going to do? I'm going to set y equal 1, comma. What am I going to do if it's false? I can put in another number, but I'm going to do a nested if and put another if in there. And so I'm going to say if x, that's my x value, is less than 20, then set y equal 2, comma. Again, another nested if. For the third one, if x is less than or equal, you can do it that way, to 30, comma. We're going to set y equal 3, comma. Now, if none of these holds, then I'll put it as 4 as my default case. Now I have to close all 3 parentheses. Excel helps you with color coding. There's 3 parentheses to close, and we're all done. So x is less than 10, y equal 1, that checks out. I can fill down with this little box here and pick a bunch of other numbers. When x is identically 20, what happens? Well, it's not less than 20, so it is less than or equal to 30, so it gives you 3, whereas if I put something like 19.999, it'll give me 2 because it's less than 20. However, if I put 30, it'll give me 3 since its logic is x is less than or equal to 30. And then you put a bigger number like 40, you get 4. If you put a negative number, it'll meet the first criteria and make it 1, etc. So that's how this nested if statement works in Excel. You can make much more complicated logic than these. This is just an illustration. Enjoy.